Today we're making a Jamaican dish, traditional to Jamaica. It's called Ackee and Saltfish and Callaloo. So these are the ingredients that you're going to be needing today to make this dish. Using codfish, salted codfish, also known as saltfish. Also using canned Ackee and canned Callaloo. If you are not familiar with Ackee, use the canned Ackee. Ackee is very dangerous, and if you don't cook it right, or you eat it too soon, pick it too soon, it's toxic. Okay, I'm also using onions. I'm using scallions, tomatoes, red peppers and green peppers, and I'm using salt and pepper for seasoning. The codfish has to be soaked overnight, but I really don't have any time, so the quickest way to get rid of the salt from codfish is to boil it and rinse off the water that way. So you're going to have to boil it a couple of times, maybe 2 to 3 times, maybe about 20 minutes each. Pour off the water and put some fresh water in and do it about 2 or 3 more times. So now I'm just letting the codfish come to a boil, and then once it boils, I'm going to rinse off the water. Okay, so the bacalao, the codfish has come to a boil, so now I'm going to rinse off this, and I'm going to do it 2 more times. Okay, so I'm going to drain the Ackee and rinse it off because it has a lot of salt in here. Now you want to break up the codfish into little pieces, as small as you would like it. And once you get it to completely be broken up, then you want to they'll be ready to fry with the onions and other vegetables. Okay, so we're gonna start frying up the peppers. The one thing that I did add that I wanted to show you is I added a Scotch bonnet pepper, which is this little pepper here. I just took a piece of it because it's really hot. I'll show you what a Scotch bonnet pepper is. Now I'm preparing to make the Ackee, so I'm frying up some peppers, onions, scallions, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. I wish you guys could smell this. This kitchen smells like heaven. Now I'm going to add the codfish. Okay, now I'm just going to lower the light because I don't want to burn it. I'm adding a little black pepper, but I'm not going to add any salt because the codfish is already salty. Ackee is a fruit, not a vegetable. It is native to West Africa, and it was transported in the 1700s to Jamaica. It is now known as Jamaica's national fruit. Now I'm going to stir everything together to incorporate all the flavors. The one thing you have to remember about Ackee is that it's very delicate, and if you stir it too hard, you can break it. So I'm just lightly stirring it, gently stirring it, just to mix up everything. We're just rinsing off the callaloo to get the salt off. Okay, so we're going to fry up the peppers and the onions. We'll put the peppers in first. Onion. So we're just going to stir fry this until the vegetables are translucent, and then we're going to add the callaloo. Right now, while I have this cooking, I have some plantain boiling. I just wanted one because I'm making menudo. So I'm going to start by frying up the plantain. now that the veggies are cooked, I'm going to add the callaloo. I'm going to add a little black pepper and a tiny bit of salt. So now I'm just going to let the callaloo cook down. Oh my goodness, the smell in this kitchen is heavenly. So we are almost finished. Okay, so my dinner is ready. I have my maduro, my sweet plantains. I have the ackee and saltfish. I have my plantains boiling, and I have my callaloo ready. So now I'm going to plate it. Well guys, this is my dinner. And along with the ackee and saltfish and callaloo, I'm having coconut juice, avocado, and orange slices. Well guys, thank you for allowing me to show you how to make these two national dishes from Jamaica. Please visit me on Facebook at Lolita's Kitchen. Also visit me on Instagram at Lolita's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. God bless. Good night.